In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage client information. We'll walk through adding a new client in Jobber and making clean, accurate updates so your records stay organized and useful. Start by opening Jobber and heading to the dashboard. From here, look for the plus icon at the top and choose Client. This opens a clean client creation form where you can enter everything you need in one place. At the top, pick a salutation if you use one. For example, you might choose Mr. for a formal contact. It's optional, so select what fits your workflow and client preferences. Next, enter the client's first name and last name. Double-check spelling here because this is how the profile will appear in searches, quotes, and invoices. If the client is part of a business, add the company name as well. This helps you differentiate contacts within the same organization and makes reporting clearer. Add a phone number and choose a consistent format your team will follow. Then enter an email address. This is important for sending quotes, invoices, and appointment confirmations, so make sure it's accurate. If you're unsure, confirm the spelling with the client before saving. Under Lead Information, select how this client heard about you. For example, you might choose Facebook. Tracking this source helps you understand which marketing channels are working and where to invest your efforts. Use the Additional Client Details section to capture helpful notes. Things like gate codes, service preferences, or billing instructions. Keep notes professional and relevant, and avoid storing sensitive information that isn't necessary for your work. If there are other people you need to communicate with, add additional contacts. This is great for property managers, spouses, or site supervisors. You can specify contact details and who should receive emails so the right people stay in the loop. Enter the address next. If available, use the suggested address to reduce typos and verify that the location is correct on the map. If the billing address is different from the service address, make sure both are captured clearly. When everything looks good, click Save Client. You'll land on the client profile where all the information is neatly organized. If you spot anything that needs tweaking later, click Edit, make your changes, and then click Update Client to lock them in. Keeping your records current helps your team book work confidently and ensures your communications go to the right place. That's it. Add the client, fill in accurate contact and lead details, include helpful notes, save, and update as needed. If this helped, subscribe for more.